Have you ever wondered what's happening beneath the surface of your skin? It's a question many of us don't often consider, but the answer is fascinating. Today, we're taking a journey under the microscope to explore the living landscape that is your skin. Our skin is far more than just a protective layer. It's a complex, dynamic ecosystem bustling with activity. It's the largest organ in your body, covering an area of about 20 square feet and weighing around 8 pounds. Let's start our journey by looking at the different layers that make up this incredible organ. The epidermis is the outermost layer. It's the one we see and touch every day. This layer is primarily made up of dead skin cells called keratinocytes. These cells are constantly shedding and being replaced by new cells from below. The epidermis also contains melanocytes, which produce melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color and protects it from the sun. Next, we have the dermis. This is where the real action happens. The dermis is a thicker layer located beneath the epidermis. It's like the support system of your skin. It contains collagen and elastin fibers, which provide strength and elasticity, keeping your skin firm and flexible. The dermis also houses blood vessels, hair follicles, sweat glands, and nerve endings. These components play vital roles in regulating body temperature, sensing touch and pressure, and nourishing the skin. Finally, we have the hypodermis, also known as the subcutaneous layer. This is the deepest layer of the skin, composed primarily of fat cells. The hypodermis acts as insulation, cushioning the body and storing energy. It also helps to attach the skin to the underlying muscles and bones. But the skin isn't just about layers. It's also home to a diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses. This community is often referred to as the skin microbiome. These microorganisms play a crucial role in maintaining skin health. They help to protect against harmful pathogens and support the immune system. A healthy skin microbiome is essential for healthy skin. Your skin is a dynamic and essential organ. It protects you, regulates your temperature, and allows you to feel the world around you. By understanding its structure and function, you can better appreciate the importance of caring for your skin. So, the next time you look at your skin, remember the incredible living landscape that lies beneath the surface. It's a world of cells, fibers, and microorganisms, all working together to keep you healthy and protected.